In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom animation to page elements on GoHighLevel. This process can help you create more engaging and visually appealing websites. First, let's navigate to the GoHighLevel sales dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything within your account. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Sites tab. This section includes all the sites and funnels that you can work on, so it's your go-to place for any web creation tasks. After selecting Sites, direct your attention to the Websites option. This will take you to a list of your current website projects. Here, find and click on the project labeled Real Estate Consulting. Depending on the number of projects you have, you might need to scroll a bit, but don't worry if it takes a moment. Inside the Real Estate Consulting section, hit the Edit button to access the page builder. The page builder is where all the action happens, giving you control over the look and feel of your website. Now in the page editor, look for the element you'd like to add animation to and highlight it. This action is essential because it tells GoHighLevel exactly what you're going to work on. Next, click on the Styles tab. This is where you will modify how your element appears and behaves. Here's a handy tip. Always ensure that your elements are correctly highlighted before making style changes. Now that you're in the Styles tab, you'll want to locate the option that allows you to insert or modify the custom CSS or animations. Look for an Open Code Editor button. Go ahead and click on it. This tool is where you can input custom code directly, enabling you to add sophisticated animations that might not be available through standard features. At this point, it might be valuable to consult additional resources, such as a quick search on ChatGPT, to find and customize the animation code you wish to use. Often, it's just a matter of finding the right syntax or animation description that fits your needs. Once you have your code ready and have tested it independently to ensure it will work as expected, go ahead and paste it into the code editor. Be mindful of any additional formatting or existing code to avoid conflicts. After pasting your code, type in any specific highlight or modifying tags if necessary to tailor the CSS or animation further to your design vision. Double-check everything to make sure it looks correct and there aren't any typos. Once you're satisfied with the changes, look for the Save button to ensure your animations are stored and take effect on the website. Make it a practice to save frequently when making custom changes, as it prevents loss and makes it easier to revert back if needed. By following these steps, you should now have a custom animated element on your GoHighLevel site, giving it that extra bit of flair. Keep experimenting with different animations and styles to truly make your website stand out.